how to upload Reels on Facebook. In order to do that, head over and click on this What's on Your Mind, and then click on this photo and video. So once you have selected the video, it will automatically upload it as a reel. So you can head over and click on the video, and then you can say something about it. And then once you have done that, you can head over and then click on this post option right here in order to post it as a reel. So once you have done that, you should be able to see it. So let's try to post it right here. As you can see, it's actually posting. So any reels that you will post will head over right here to your profile. Now it will appear right here onto your videos, and any videos you have will be head over and then notified and actually acknowledged as the reel right here. You can also head over right here to your videos and click on this create reel right here in order to create your own reel through the particular page right there. So that's how you upload reels on Facebook. Hope we helped.